Now let's get on to the second part. What is it? Who is offering these products? So the name of our company is SAMI Direct. So SAMI basically stands for Scientific Ayurvedic Molecule of India. There is science behind our company. There is a 5,000-year-old Ayurveda behind our company. We are using the molecular technology and we are proud that we are an Indian company. And we are marketing our products through direct marketing. Direct marketing means from the producer directly to the consumer through right education, information, and giving an option for people to be healthy. And for this, the company is offering you all a lifetime opportunity to be healthy, wealthy, and wise. Healthy how? By consuming the nutrition yourself. Wealthy how? By recommending it to your friends. And wise by choosing to be healthy and wealthy. And what our company gives basically is clinically research relevant nutrition. And the founder of our company is Dr. Mohammed Majid. So a little background about Dr. Mohammed Majid. Dr. Mohammed Majid obtained his degree in pharmacy in 1973 from Kerala, Kollam, and went to US in 1975 to do his masters in industrial pharmacy. And he didn't stop with masters, he went on to complete his PhD in industrial pharmacy from St. John's University, New York. And he worked with the world's biggest R&D company, Pfizer, Carter Wallace, and Paco Research as a senior scientist. Imagine, PhD from US, the world's biggest R&D company, a huge package, correct? Doctor could have continued in the US working as an employee, but doctor's vision was different. He wanted to become an entrepreneur. So what doctor did, he started his own company in the US called Sabinsa Corporation in New Jersey. So the foundation of our company started not in India, it started in the US. And even though doctor's background was drugs, chemicals, medicines, and all those things, the biggest demand in the 1980s in the US was the wellness revolution. That means people wanted to look good, feel better, and live longer, and they were not getting these answers from the allopathic system of medicine. And by 80s in US, people understood that the allopathic medicines had far more side effects than the intended good effects. So they were looking at a way how they could prevent these drugs and how they could lead a healthy life. So they were open towards Tibetan medicine and Chinese medicine. They were importing a lot of Tibetan and Chinese drugs. And at that time, what came into doctor's mind was the answer for all these three questions is lying in India. Not today, but thousands of years were in our Ayurveda. So why don't I give Ayurveda to the people of US? Because Ayurveda is a science of life that helps us to lead a healthy and a balanced life. And the 5,000-year-old script is available in India. But the problem that Dr. Mohammed Majid faced 30 years back was Ayurveda is in the raw format. And raw format, forget about Americans, we ourselves will not accept. So what Dr. Mohammed Majid did, he started bridging Ayurveda and modern science. See, we know Ayurveda works. So doctor started finding out which is the active molecule in Ayurveda. He founded a process to identify the active molecule, isolating it, did the clinical studies, and presented the same Ayurveda in the standardized dosage format to the US. And today we are proud to have pioneered and introduced more than 140 herbs in the standardized dosage form. And today we hold the patent for 91 and above molecules, and of them which 3 are having the Thomas Alva Edison patents, the highest patent in the world. And today we supply these molecules to the world's top nutraceutical, pharmaceutical, and cosmeceutical companies through B2B business. And indirectly our product is reaching the world in different well-known brands. Name the world's top 10 cosmeceutical companies, top 10 pharmaceutical companies, and top 10 nutraceutical companies. They are buying some molecule or other from our company. And today Dr. Mohammed Majid is called the world ambassador of molecular Ayurveda. And today our company is spread all over the world. And for this, Dr. Mohammed Majid received numerous recognitions from the government of India, from the President of India for export, from a Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, not only from the government of India, also recognitions from the government of US. In 2004, Dr. Mohammed received the prestigious Ellis Island Medal of Honor, and this is an honor given to very few people that has included President George Bush, President Bill Clinton, boxing legend Muhammad Ali. In fact, Dr. Mohammed Majid is the only Indian till date. In fact, the only Asian till date who has got this award. That means the person behind our company is not an ordinary person, an extraordinary person. See, many companies say we are the leaders in herbal industry, but what we need is a third party reference. And which is the world's biggest third party? US. In the year 2009, our company received the Herbal Industry Leader Award. So this award says everything. We can never compare our company to any other herbal company in the world. No other company in the world has received this award. Our company started in the US in 1988, and from there it spread all over the world. But still the headquarters was US. But in the year 2003, Dr. Mohammed Majid reverse merged the companies and made SAMI Labs as the headquarters, and all the rest of the companies became the brand offices. So from 2004, we are no longer an American company, we are an Indian multinational company with the headquarters as SAMI Labs in India, which is in Bangalore, which is in Pune. And SAMI Labs is the foundation of our dreams, where the complete research work is being done. The research which doctor was doing single-handedly 20-30 years back in the US, today the research is being done by more than 125 PhD scientists. That means 1,000 hours of research is carried on every day at SAMI Labs. One example, we know which is the best vegetable for preventing diabetes. We all know it's the bitter gourd. But here we give bitter gourd not in actual form. We are giving it in the active molecular form. That means we just take out the active molecule of the bitter gourd and we are giving you the glycacan. And what is the function of the active molecule? The active molecule of bitter gourd is momodica, which helps in blood sugar regulation. But our scientists found out just putting the molecule doesn't help. So they have added the molecule of chromium, which helps improve the insulin sensitivity. Along with that, the molecule of zinc, which helps in insulin production, secretion, utilization, and storage. And along with that, the cinnamon extract, which helps in lowering the fasting blood sugar. And more importantly, the molecule of silbenol, which balances blood sugar level and also has cholesterol lowering effect. And to absorb all these nutrients, we have added the molecule of bioperin. That means for one product, the research that has gone beyond compare. We are giving a holistic approach to each and every lifestyle diseases in our body. And this same research is behind each and every product that is bought out by the company. And today we are proud that the 5,000-year-old script holders, the Kottakkal Arya Vaidyasala, they have signed a MOU with us for joint ventures, for marketing, for co-development, for development of standardized extract, for creating public awareness and many more things. And this is all possible because today people have realized that today Ayurveda, which was so far a personal property, it has come to the world with scientific evidence, with clinical research, thanks to Dr. Mohammed Majid. And this whole research is being done by this team of 125 scientists under the guidance of Dr. Razak Amra, who has finished his MS and PhD in food science and technology from MIT, US. He is a person who has designed and developed neutralized fruit juice technology for Coca-Cola. And he is a person who has got more than 20 patents on his name. And under his guidance, the research is being done, which is the best nutrition and how best this could be given to. So far our company was supplying the raw materials throughout the world. So the people buy the raw materials at maybe 200-300 rupees a kilo, goes and comes back as finished products for around 3,000-4,000 rupees a kilo. So Dr. Mohammed Majid said, now if you are having the same quality of output done from India, that means we can give world-class products to the people at a price much affordable to the people. So what he did, he combined SAMI Labs and SAMI Direct together and we created SAMI Direct. Basically to promote our very own highly researched nutraceutical and cosmeceutical products through direct selling. And why direct selling? Listen, Dr. Mohammed Majid.
In direct selling business, you have seen a number of multinationals come and do well. In the case of SAMI Direct, our science is real. Our science is original and we will do well. By 2015, every household in this country would have one of SAMI Direct product. It is the dream by which I started the SAMI Direct venture. And between you and I, together, we are going to accomplish this one.
So the vision of Dr. Mohammed Majid is simple: make the world healthier and let the products reach the world through Indians. Are we with the right company? 100% we are with the right company.